In today's video, we're going to talk about more Tesla features that even owners don't know about, and we're starting right now. So with the redesigned menu, charging your car and also scheduling preconditioning for your vehicle could not be easier. So to do this, you can always go down to the control menu by clicking on the car right here, and you can go right here where it says schedule, or of course the easiest way to do things in Tesla is by swiping. So I'm just going to swipe up, come over here where it says schedule and click on schedule, and it will still open up the same menu. Here at the top, you can select where you want to do the scheduling, and this is a specific location. So right here, I have the options for home and also for work. And if you go down from here, you have preconditioning and also charge. If you click on one, you can still access both menus. So I'm going to click the plus symbol here, and right here you have your preconditioning and also charging. Now this is pretty cool because you can schedule a one and done, or you can schedule specific times on certain days of the week. Just say if I want Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you can repeat it, or you can just have it one and done, and you can select the time right here. And after you select the schedule that you want it to precondition your car or to charge your car, then from there you just click on create. And the great thing is you can create as many schedules as you need to. So we already know that your car will tell you real-time temperature information on the outside as you're traveling. But what if I'm saying now that you have more information at your disposal that's going to take it up a notch? Because here on your status bar, right beside the temperature on your Tesla, you now have air quality index, and it's saying right here, if you can read it, it's saying 117. Now, it goes even deeper than that, because even if we click on the AQI, we're going to get more envelope information. So I'm going to come back over here, click on where it says AQI, and now it's going to tell me real time that is 78 degrees. The high today is going to be 88. The low is going to be 73, and it's cloudy right now. Not only that, it's going to tell you hour by hour for the next few hours of what the temperature will be, and like the sun is going to come out later on, the chance of rain, the humidity, the wind, UV index, and also the air quality index is telling me today the air quality is unhealthy. Whenever you're going to a destination in your car, you can now go to a sub destination. Just say we want to go to the airport. So let's go over here to the screen here, and I want to go to, just say, the Atlanta airport. So I'm going to do ATL, and now here on your screen we have the different terminals. I'm going to do view more, and now you can even navigate to North parking. You can go to international hourly parking. You can even go to the cell phone lot. So whenever you click on these sub destinations, it will take you to a specific location that you want to go to at the larger destination. Let me tell you, I have a daughter, her name is Lizzie, and she's going to be driving within the next year and a half. And I can tell you right now, as of how it's going right now, her first car is probably going to be a Tesla, because with Tesla, you are in control as a parent with the parental controls. In order to access the parental controls, we're just going to come right over here to the screen. We're going to go to the car control menu, and from here, we're going to go where it says safety. We're going to go down to safety, and we're just going to scroll to where we see parental controls. Now, once we turn on parental controls, you can now set the speed limit. Right now it's at 101, but you can set it to whatever you want. Reduce acceleration to chill, so you're not going to really get that gut tummy feel whenever you accelerate. It's going to slow down the acceleration. Require safety features. These safety features such as speed limit warnings, collision warnings, automatic braking, and this cannot be modified. And also, this is really cool, it will set a curfew. So if you're driving, or if the car is being driven between a specific time, it's going to notify you as the parent. And the great thing is, you can only set this and deactivate it with a pin. And always here on your mobile app, you can see the car, how fast it's going in real time, the speed, the radio station, all of that good stuff right from the app. Below the turn-by-turn list on your navigation, you'll see a progress bar that changes as you drive closer to your destination or your next stop. The progress bar also reflects real live traffic conditions on your route if you have online routing turned on. So what you want to do is come over here to your car menu. We're going to come over here and we're going to go where it says navigation. And right here, you want to make sure that online routing is turned on. When the climate control fan is set to auto, the fan speed will now automatically lower to reduce the sound of ambient noise whenever you're on that phone call. So what I'm going to do is come over here to the Bluetooth setting, and whenever you select your phone here, you're going to go down after you see all of these other menu options. You're going to go where it says reduce fan speed during calls, and you want to make sure that that's turned on. So those are more Tesla features that you needed to know that not many Tesla owners know about. Even 11 more features that not many Tesla owners know about, and I'm going to share those with you right there on your screen. Be sure you check it out, be sure you subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video, and I will see you in the next video.